Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Ethereum update today. 2594 is where Ethereum is trading right now, and I do see a pattern. I recognize some few things about Ethereum that are looking super amazing, and that's what I want to show you right now. And this is on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. So Ethereum looks pretty good right now. It has actually been moving up like this. There has been a long consolidation for quite some few days, and right now you are looking to move all the way to the upside. You broke out here, coming down, you're moving up again. So what I do see is Ethereum, of course it's looking good, but I do think there's a little bit of a move down coming up towards 2489, and that is going to be the retest of this broken trend line. So if it does look like it's going to retrace a little bit, maybe 3% move down, and then once that is done, the next scenario is to retest this pattern and come here, make a successful retest hopefully, and then move up to 2897, which is pretty much the technical target number one of this pattern, right? If you kind of like take the whole top to bottom of it, so top to bottom here, and you place it right there, it takes you up to that target, which is also going to be a resistance right over there of this, previous resistance. So it makes a lot of sense. It comes up here, you could actually even try to open up a short position. That's still another resistance going on, and there's a hidden another super important resistance as well, and that is going to be something just like this, right? A little bit like that, and I'm going to drop it like this. So chances are you could actually do something where you continue up and then you touch 2962, almost 3000, and then get rejected. Okay, so it is looking the way it is looking right now. I don't know, man. It does look like you're coming down for the retest, and then you're gonna move to the upside. But anyways, the thing is, as soon as you go for the retest and it moves up, at least this is like 16% we're talking about. Maybe even if you're lucky enough, you're looking for 18%, right? And then imagine opening up a short position as soon as it comes up to 2953. Put a 1-2% risk over there. It drops down again, maybe you could even get a 10%. So that's it for the video. This was just a quick flashy update today, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.